Hey, today we are discussing private things, so right off the bat we have the victims that were raped by the sick freak Herman Cain. Let's hear what they got to say.
Well, first he greeted me and said very nasty things and pulled out his very black cock. I said leave me alone and I ran away.
Come on, this stuff is not true. These people are not telling the truth.
Shut your filthy black mouth. You don't deserve to tell your side of the story because you're ugly and a rapist. Now, ma'am, you can tell your side of the story.
Well, first I was outside yelling "Vite for Ekberry," then all of a sudden this black shadow was there, but it was not a shadow, it was Herman Cain's black long cock. Then he raped me.
Okay, you may now tell your side of the story now.
Well, first he said, I know you host the Daily Show. Then he said this black long nuts can be your Daily Show. Then I ran as fast as I can, but he caught me and raped me.
You sick freak, you are going to jail, and if you say anything I will say you tried to rape me also.